This is the Amazon Echo Spot, a cute little device to help your everyday life. The company has a habit of releasing a big product and following it up with a smaller, more affordable alternative. So it was with the Amazon Fire TV with a Fire TV stick and the Amazon Echo with Amazon Echo Dot. And now the affordable little Amazon Echo Spot is here to join the Amazon Echo show. A smart speaker with screen concept, which the company refers to as glanceable technology. Having spent a good week with the device, I'm more convinced that adding a screen was a smart move. While it isn't essential, it makes Alexa a more complete assistant. Factor in the smaller price tag and the space-saving design, I'm happy to say it's the best Echo device to date. I've surveyed plenty of people about the original Echo show, and the consensus has been pretty brutal. Most think it's ugly. It's also big, easily taking up about a quarter of my bedside tabletop. While I'd happily use one, it isn't something I'd give. The overall design is just too much of an imposition to be a hit with everyone. The Amazon Echo Spot addresses both issues. For starters, it's much smaller. It takes up no more space than a large mug, comfortably sitting by my bedside lamp or on my desk. It's round too, which gives it a more attractive and contemporary look. The shape fits better with the round motif Amazon adopted with the rest of the Echo series. And as always, it's available in either black or white. The black one is a 21st century Magic 8 ball, while the white one reminds me of Eve from Wall-E. Either way, this is the least utilitarian design of all the existing Echo devices. I could easily imagine one in my mom's kitchen. At the top of the device sits 4 microphones and 3 buttons, 2 for volumes, 1 for privacy. There's Bluetooth output, but you also get a 3.5mm output on the rear for connecting to speakers and hi-fi system. The only other socket is for the mains adapter. Unlike the Amazon Echo Dot, the Spot can't be run on USB power. Amazon really doesn't want people to think of the Echo Spot as just an alarm clock, but that's inevitable given the device's shape, size, and selection of round analog clock faces. You can use digital clock faces, or even upload your own background if you're after less of an alarm clock look for the kitchen or office. Why buy the Amazon Echo Spot? I think the screen definitely improved the Alexa experience, and for this there are only 2 options: the Amazon Echo Show and the Amazon Echo Spot. Of those 2 devices, I'd choose the Spot. It's smaller, cuter, and more affordable. And that 3.5mm audio output is ideal for those wanting to connect to their existing sound system. That said, if you want a 7-inch screen on your kitchen counter, or if you want the best sounding Echo device available, then the Echo Show is for you.